Hi everyone, it's good to see you all here. My name is Okamoto Shota from Obayashi Corporation. So I'm going to summarize the project. The country is the People's Republic of Bangladesh. The employer was the Road and Highway Department of Bangladesh. And the engineer was consist of 9 companies, including Oriental Consultant Corporation. The construction period was 4 years, from January 2016 to January 2020. The contract scope was construction of new bridges and rehabilitation of existing bridges, including the improvement of surrounding area. The contractor was a Japanese joint venture by 4 companies. The name is OSJI Joint Venture. Obayashi and Shimizu Corporation for the substructure, and JFE Engineering and IHI Infrastructure Systems Corporation for the superstructures. The next is the project location. The 3 bridges are located at Kanchipur, Meghna, and Gumti, about 12 kilometers from suburb of Dhaka, the capital of Bangladesh. This section explains the description of the new bridge construction. The construction is described here, and the total length of the 3 bridges is about 2.7 kilometers. The superstructure is a combination of steel narrow box gutter, steel concrete composite slab, and steel pipe sheet pile foundation adapted for the substructure in the river, which is commonly called SPSP. This method was first application in Bangladesh. Next, I will present the description of the rehabilitation of the existing bridges. As shown on the screen, 7 different treatments were applied for the purpose of seismic reinforcement. This was the first application of using carbon fiber for reinforcement and converting into continued gutter by fish outer cable in Bangladesh. In this section, I'm going to introduce the key features of the project for substructure. The steel pipe sheet pile called SPSP foundation was selected for foundation inside the river. Here is a picture of compression of SPSP. This SPSP is a structure of which steel pipes are driven into the river and used not only as a permanent structure but also as a temporary closure wall to build the structure. There are 3 advantages of SPSP foundation as follows. First, strength of existing bridge piers, which minimize scoring. Second, the temporary structure can be used as permanent one. Third, shorten the construction period. The construction situation is shown in pictures here. 2 different driving methods, hammering and pressing, were conducted because both new and existing bridges were located inside the same single foundation, having unique oval shape. Next, I'd like to talk about the difficulty experience through the project, etc. In the beginning, we created ideas for improvement. As a result of the preliminary investigation, we found that there are many obstacles at the SPSP driving location. It was necessary to remove obstacles in the river properly in order to complete the foundation on schedule. The following solutions were in place. First, mobilize appropriate equipment suitable for removing obstacles. The arrangement was made by combination of local procurement and import from Japan. Secondly, simple and easy budget planning that enable fast and accurate ore casing machine for local staff. As a result, these 2 solutions enable us to start the construction of SPSP on schedule. The picture are shown in the local procurement and the import one. For the picture on the left, the ore casing machine used for obstacle removal was imported from Japan. And on the right, the clamshell was procured locally. Next, I'd like to explain what our difficulties were. This figure shows organization of Japanese engineers for substructure work. Due to the simultaneous construction of 3 bridges, there are many local staff and experts. With a maximum 412 local staff and 45 experts at the peak of the project. This number does not include workers and subcontractors. Therefore, it was necessary to manage the construction site by a limited number of Japanese engineers, directing a large number of local staff. The important matter is to do the construction management while making the best use of individual ability. In addition, local staff vary from young to senior and has a difference of the years of experience and construction career. In order to bring out our team ability, we adjust the organization to place the right person in the right place through daily conversation and work with them. As this result, we were able to do construction management efficiently for maximizing individual ability. These are completed pictures of 3 bridges. That's all for my presentation. Thank you very much for your attendance. Managing a site under conditions that differ from those in Japan can be a challenge, but the sense of accomplishment that comes from overcoming these challenges is a valuable experience for a civil engineer. If you have the chance to do, please take up the challenge proactively. Lastly, I appreciate the client, engineer, JV staff, and local people on this project on this occasion again.